Brain fog after 50 can quietly steal focus, memory, and energy each morning. Small daily habits either sharpen your mind or slow it down. In the next minutes, learn 3 simple morning changes that can restore clarity and mental sharpness. Why brain fog becomes more common. After 50. After 50, many people notice brain fog more often, especially in the morning. One main reason is natural changes in brain chemistry. The brain produces fewer key neurotransmitters that support focus and quick thinking. Another factor is slower blood circulation, which reduces oxygen flow to brain cells. This can make thinking feel heavy or slow. Sleep quality also changes with age, and poor deep sleep reduces memory repair and mental refresh. Hormonal shifts, especially lower estrogen and testosterone, can also affect clarity and alertness. At the same time, stress levels often increase due to health or lifestyle pressure, which adds mental load. These combined changes do not mean loss of intelligence, but they do reduce mental sharpness if not managed well with daily habits. The hidden morning habit that worsens mental clarity. One silent habit that harms mental clarity is checking the phone immediately after waking. Scrolling through messages, news, or social media floods the brain with information overload before it is fully awake. This creates early stress signals in the mind and raises cortisol levels too fast. Another issue is skipping natural morning movement and staying in bed too long after waking. This slows down the brain's natural activation process. Many people also drink coffee before water, which can increase dehydration effects. This leads to slower thinking and mild fatigue. The brain needs a calm start, not instant stimulation. A better approach is allowing a short, quiet period after waking, giving the brain time to shift from sleep mode to alert mode. This simple change helps improve focus for the rest of the day. How blood sugar spikes affect morning brain function. Blood sugar spikes in the morning can strongly affect how the brain performs. When a person eats sugary or refined carbohydrate foods early, blood glucose rises quickly. This gives short energy, but it is followed by a sudden drop called a crash effect. During this drop, the brain feels tired, unfocused, and slow. Low glucose stability also reduces attention and memory strength. Many breakfast foods like white bread, pastries, or sweet drinks can trigger this problem. The brain depends on steady energy, not sudden highs and lows. When blood sugar is unstable, decision-making becomes harder, and mood can also shift quickly. A balanced morning meal with protein and fiber helps maintain energy balance. This supports smooth brain function and avoids the foggy feeling that often appears mid-morning. The 10-minute movement routine to wake up your brain. A simple 10-minute movement routine can quickly activate the brain after waking. Light exercise increases blood flow, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to brain cells. This helps improve alertness and reduces sluggish thinking. Activities like slow stretching, walking inside or outside, or gentle body movements are enough. These movements also trigger the release of endorphins, which improve mood and mental energy. Another benefit is improved coordination between the body and brain, which helps sharpen focus. Even basic neck and shoulder stretches reduce stiffness that can block clear thinking. The key is consistency, not intensity. Heavy workouts are not needed in the morning. Gentle movement is more effective for mental activation. Over time, this routine trains the brain to wake up faster and stay more focused during early hours. Why hydration first thing in the morning matters for focus. After sleep, the body becomes mildly dehydrated, and this directly affects brain function. Even small levels of dehydration can reduce attention span, memory speed, and mental clarity. The brain is made mostly of water, so it needs proper hydration to work well. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps restart cell activity and improves blood flow to the brain. It also supports toxin removal that builds up overnight. Without hydration, people may feel tired, dizzy, or mentally slow. Many confuse this with aging or fatigue, but it is often simple water loss. Adding a glass or two of water before coffee or tea can make a noticeable difference. This habit is easy but powerful, helping the brain switch from sleep mode to active thinking mode much faster. The best breakfast habits to support sharp thinking. A good breakfast supports sharp thinking by giving steady energy to the brain. The best meals include a mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Protein helps build neurotransmitters that support focus. Healthy fats, like nuts or eggs, support brain cell function. Fiber slows digestion and keeps energy stable for longer. Avoiding high-sugar foods is important because they create energy crashes. Many people also skip breakfast, which can lead to low mental fuel and reduced concentration. A balanced meal helps prevent mid-morning tiredness and improves mood stability. Simple options like eggs with whole grains or yogurt with nuts are effective. The goal is not heavy eating, but smart eating that supports steady brain energy throughout the morning. This helps maintain clear thinking during work or daily tasks. Simple daily routine to maintain long-term mental clarity. Long-term mental clarity depends on consistent daily habits, not quick fixes. A strong routine starts with hydration, followed by light movement to activate the body and brain. Adding a balanced breakfast supports stable energy and prevents crashes. Morning sunlight helps set the body clock, improving both focus and sleep quality. Reducing early phone use also protects the brain from overload and stress. Over time, these habits work together to improve cognitive strength and memory. The key is repetition, as the brain responds to regular patterns. Small actions done daily are more powerful than big changes done once in a while. With consistency, the brain becomes more alert, stable, and focused throughout the day. That's it for today's 3 morning habits to reduce brain fog and bring back mental clarity after 50. Try them consistently and notice the difference in your focus and energy. If this helped, subscribe for more simple health tips and share your thoughts in the comments.